Hey everybody and welcome back. Today I will show you how to show variants as separate products on Shopify. So to add a separated variant or entirely separate product, what you can do is you can see currently this is my theme and I want to simply show another variant of this poster. So what I can do is simply head back to my Shopify admin panel. So let me just do that really quickly. And in here you can see we have our settings, but we need to head over to our admin panel, and from there I'm going to be exiting my editor and head directly to products. So you can see in here we need to simply add a completely new product, since we are not going to be adding a variant, which is an option inside the already added product. You can see we have inventory and then we have variants. So since you do not want to add this option, you can add a completely new product, which is of course going to be serving as a variant. So click on add product, add your details. Let's just say this is going to be a bike poster or maybe car poster 2. You can add details, upload image, fill all these fields, and eventually you're going to be having a completely new product similar to the already added as a variant. So I hope this makes sense, and let me know in the comments below if you want more help on this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.